over on Fandewerft, you will find the STRAAT, the street art museum. Is it worth getting over here for? Let's find out. Let's head in there. Let's see if it's something you should visit. So let's get in there.
Everybody watch out, look out, crack of the blackout. Things done changed again. King Zilla done came out. Your big words don't move me.
I think I found something I recognize. The rabbit right behind me. If you watch my Copenhagen episodes of street art, you will find one that is from the same artist.
Watch your mama, she gave birth to a hater, a low-life son of a bitch, cricket concentrator. See you busters later. Now I'm flying with bird wings. My name in these trenches getting mentioned with street kings. I really used to wonder if these niggas had love for me. But since we've been doing music, shit got worse to see. Now these little niggas trying to fuck shit up. Right now I'm trying to change the game, nigga. Shut the fuck up. I got street love.
That was the street art museum, Strad. Definitely worth a visit. I really enjoyed it. It is a big hall filled with these massive street art pictures. Some of them more artful than others. Some of them are, well, what I don't describe as art. Some of them are definitely what I describe as art. So definitely it's worth going in there. And we're not finished out here, because out here in Fandewerft we got more street art, because this is the home of street art. So let's see if we can find some of it before we leave this area, because it should be just as great as the museum. So if you don't want to pay for the museum, at least follow along and see what else you can find out here. If you want to pay for the museum, I warmly recommend it. Only 21 euros for an adult, and I find that an acceptable price for what you get. I will definitely give this 4 stars. Because it is definitely worth getting out of your way to get out here. And let's see what else we can find.
Come and ride with me in my candy painted rag top, posted up at Fan Bam, fresh up off that dope block. Nigga, I got trophies, fuck them lyrical rap lies. You know my 1966 Mustang.
So out here behind the museum, you will find a playground for street art. Definitely worth going out here. Sometimes you will even find artists in the middle of painting their pictures, and that is definitely worth getting out here for. And let's see what else we can find of beautiful street art, because it is damn beautiful out here.
Big black nigga that'll shoot ya. Cricket ladder, homie, jumping your low, make you jump like Steve Turner. Still rolling on 100 smoke, smoking that Jolly Green burner. Nigga, I was only 16 with ounces in my balls. If my daddy would've knew that, he would've fucked me up, y'all. But I had street love.
Right next to STRAAT, you will find this playful collective, this art collective, this artisanal village. I don't know what it's called. It is called NDSM Lot. Don't know what it stands for. I'm not entirely sure what it is, but we found a drum school for vintage drums out here. We found well, plenty of artful, playful exhibitions out in the open. It's free to get in here and definitely worth it. If you want to see more from Amsterdam, then check out this video right here, where we are visiting another must-see in Amsterdam.